Hi, this is Future Editing Me. I am not going to be uploading a video tomorrow of my October Hobonichi flip through. Instead, this will take the place of the video that I would post on a Friday, except I'm going to upload it today. Bruce isn't doing so great. His sores are starting to come back, and I'm pretty worried for him. He sees his oncologist on Tuesday, so I'm hoping she'll be able to do something for him. But in the meantime, I plan to spend the next couple of days with them, just hanging out and enjoying my time with them. But I hope you liked the small haul video that I filmed a couple days ago when he was feeling a little bit better. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. And now to the video.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a small haul from Michaels. I purchased it online and I just received it. So I wanted to share with you what I purchased before I start using it. And the funny thing is this was secondary items that I put into the cart because I wanted to get free shipping. And I'll show you what the main thing I wanted to buy is last, because it's big and it won't fit what you see right now on the floor. So the first thing I want to share with you is this vellum paper. I thought it was a good deal at $11.62. So all this was on sale. And I also had a $5 coupon, which I wanted to use. And I wanted to also hit the $49 free shipping. So I was really happy with this. I decided to try it out. And I printed out on one sheet 2 images. So this is from Coffee Monster Co. And this is a quote that I found on Pinterest. And I printed it out, and so you can, what I plan to do, this is my new Sterling Ink A5 size planner. But what you can do is cut this down to size and then tape it in. So it will look like that. And then you can flip the page, or you can use this side. Same thing, cut it down, tape the side if you plan to do it here, and then it would look like that. My intent when I printed this one out was to use it in my Sterling Ink N1 Traveler's Notebook size, right, the standard. But now that I'm looking at it, it might be too big. So I might use this in another one of my planners. But really happy with the vellum paper that I purchased from them. So let me set that aside. So I really like the Christmas scrapbook paper that I found. These are all 6x6. They're regularly priced at $5.99. And I paid $3.27 just about for each one of them. And I think that's a great deal. And I plan to use this in my cousin in December. So they're double-sided, and you get 2 sheets of each design. So I will do a quick flip through. That's pretty. There's something about the holidays, at least for me, looking forward towards the holidays, that I just think it's really nice. I would probably cut this in half and use in my journal. It just brings back a lot of, I always reflect back to when I was a kid. Now that I'm older, and my husband and I, we don't have kids. We have Bruce. We have my neighbor's cat. This is pretty too. But I'm really excited to use these. And if a chunky planner is what you like, because this feels pretty thick, this will definitely chunk up December. Nice. I would cut this up too. That's Bruce licking his stuffy. Bruce, Bruce. Okay, he's not going to stop. He's just looking at me. So that's the first one. I picked up 2 of these. This is also double-sided. This is really cute. I would also cut this. This is nice. You can cut this up and try to use it as a washi strip if you want. These are really cute. And the nice thing is, because you get 2 designs, or you get 2 pages of each design, so you can use this as on one page, and then you can use the second page but the back side. I hope that makes sense. These are really pretty. I haven't been to a Michael's in months because I can't just walk in and look around. So that was called Christmas Noel. No, that was called Sprinkle Shop. This one's called Peppermint Lane. This one is called Save Freeze. That's pretty. Oh, that's cute. That's cute too. So because this is 6x6, and if you're using an A5 cousin size planner, you will have to trim it just a little bit because I think it's a little too wide to fit on a A5 page. This is cute. Is that portraits? Well, that's cute. Portraits of snowmen. And with Bruce being sick, I am slightly worried that this might be our last Christmas with him. And so we're going to try to do our best. This is really cute. We're going to try to do our best to give him a really good Christmas. And I just really want to decorate the pages as much as I can. That's really cute. Okay, last of the Christmas scrapbook paper. This one's called Night Before Christmas. Bruce. He's still working on his chicken. You can cut these down, count down to Christmas, and you can use it 2 years, right? If you use this one for this year and use this one for next year. You can cut these down and use them as decoration on your page, which is probably what I'm going to do. Okay, so there's that. And then the last 2 items that I purchased. So this was not journaling, but I bought some Christmas holiday cover, which is, I guess, fake snow. I have, a long time ago, I bought the Christmas Story Department 56 buildings. Last year was the first year that I put it up, and I put it on underneath my husband's TV, like on this stand, but I didn't have any fake snow. I just laid a towel down. So I thought this year I would do it right and put down some Christmas snow. So this is what it looks like. And how much did this thing cost me? This was $5.46. And I figure I can reuse it until it's dirty, I guess. I don't know, but happy I got this. Then the last item, which is the biggest item, and the main reason why I wanted it was because this was on sale, is this. So let me back the camera up a little bit, like that. So this is a storage container. So I like to garden. I try to grow our own vegetables. This past year, I had a really bad, I couldn't grow anything back there. I think it was too hot, it was too wet, it was too humid, even here in Southern California. Nothing would grow. I don't think, did I get anything nice? Maybe a zucchini. I think I got a couple of round zucchinis that I shared with my neighbor. But I've seen people use this to store their seeds, to organize and store their seeds. Because right now I currently have my seed packages in bags. And I just thought this would just be so nice to organize this. So this is what it looks like. And then you get these little containers. So I'm so excited. I'm going to be working on this weekend because I should be planting seeds for a winter garden. That's what I better do before I run out of time. But I'm just so excited with this. So this cost me $18.23, and I think this thing is regularly like $40 or $50, not on sale. So I think I got a good price, and hopefully I have enough containers for all the seeds that I own. So let me set that aside. That is my small Michael's haul that I made online, but I am really happy with what I bought. I love my Christmas stuff, and I definitely love this vellum paper. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe if you'd like to see. I generally do after the pin videos of my planners. Right now it's my Hobonichi. Next year is going to be my Sterling Ink and my Wonderland 222 planner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.